Hello, everyone. This is Hut Solo with CWT Hub. I want to make a video today because we have the Sunday Swap now available on testnet. Now, a lot of people were complaining that it wasn't out yesterday, and it was supposed to be out yesterday, but the reality is they're testing. There's going to be a lot to this test. We don't want this thing to just pop up on mainnet and have a lot of problems. So, be patient. But I'm really impressed. I just used it. It's a beautiful interface. And so I figured I'd make a video real quick to walk you guys through it because, yeah, it's very impressive. So let me share my screen. Okay, so my screen should be visible. So the first thing you're going to need to do, you're going to need to set up your Nami wallet. Well, you have to have Nami wallet to begin with, so it's kind of first order of business. So get your Nami wallet installed. I believe it runs on Brave as well as Chrome, not on Firefox. So get your Nami wallet set up. You don't need to have any ADA in your wallet. This could be a brand new wallet. But the first thing you do need to do is put it into testnet mode. So you're going to go down to settings, network, flip this over to testnet. I've already done that, so you don't have to do that. Yeah, so I have some test assets already. The first time you connect to this exchange, it'll recognize that you haven't been there before. They'll ask if you want to be sent a bunch of stuff. They'll send you these so you can test it out. So anybody can test this. You don't have to be an IT expert or somebody who's really deeply involved with testnet. Like I run a couple testnet servers, but you don't need to be at that level. Any person can do this. So the first thing you're going to do is you're going to connect your wallet, accept the terms. You want to read their disclaimers, go for it. I don't think anybody has, but hey, why not? First time you do this, it will have a little pop-up. It'll come up and ask if you're okay with connecting, so on and so forth. Yes, sure. The other thing you do need to do is you need to set up collateral. Otherwise, it just won't work. So you're going to click up here, go to collateral. At this point, you should now have some test data. So go ahead and, yeah, you should have test data to create your collateral, go through the process. I've already done that. So obviously, I don't need to do it for the purposes of this video, but do that. Got your collateral set up. Now we can go ahead and actually start playing with Sunday Swap. So the home screen shows the most recent swaps that have taken place. Yeah, just all around. It's already a very pretty interface. I'll have to send some assets into here. I have some testnet assets. But okay, so if we click on portfolio, this will show my current holdings. And if we click on swap, so this is where the real magic happens. You want to swap for one type of asset for another type of asset. So we click on swap. And we're going to pick the from and the to. So I'm going to go from SBerry, and I'm going to go to vanilla. At this point, if I knew like the actual exchange rate, I could probably figure it out. But I'm just going to go for max. So I'm going to change 2,000 strawberries for 7.425 vanilla and click swap. Now we're not done yet. This next screen shows all the fees. It shows all those things. What's your transaction fee, so on and so forth. Obviously, it's meant to be viewed, and you'll know this because if you just click on swap, it won't let you do that. They're expecting that the person that's really going to make this trade really understands what they're doing. And yeah, this is obviously it would normally be a financial transaction, so you'd want to know what you're doing. But when it's all said and done, you press and hold. The release, and the magic happens. I'm going to pull up my Nami wallet. So it's getting ready to swap. It's creating the transaction. And then I need to sign this. So I'm going to go ahead and sign this. I'm going to put in my password. Hopefully I typed it correctly. I did. Transaction waiting. And it'll take a few seconds because this is testnet after all. There isn't, thousands, several thousand, pools that are processing transactions. There's only like a couple hundred. But yeah, transaction waiting. This should be done here in maybe a minute. I mean, I've seen testnet transactions take upwards of 2 minutes just because there's not enough nodes out there. But I'm going to close this. You can see it's pending. And if we go under transaction, I have several failed because I've kind of been playing with this, but I should have a pending transaction, which I do. And when this is all done, the amounts in my wallet should change. It should, I should have basically 0 balance of strawberries and suddenly have 7 more vanilla. But yeah, that's it. That's how the system works. Very nice looking interface. Yeah, assuming that they can work out any kinks that they find along the way, this really could be a very big deal. This is just a very, very nice, elegant looking interface. So Hats off to the team over there. Of course, transaction failed, but whatever. Hats off to you guys over at Sunday Swap. Really nice job. Keep it up. Hopefully you guys can fix any of the issues that crop up along the way, and we'll see you guys out on the mainnet. All right, thanks a lot.